Hello traders, welcome back to PipsTraders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, let us look at the price action in gold, US dollar, currency pairs from the weekly time frame to 30 minutes time frame and mark the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels for the coming week. Before that, when we look at the economical events plan for Monday, 10th July, at 7 AM we have medium impact news for Chinese yuan. So when we look for high impact news at 8:30 PM we have high impact news for British pound related currency pairs. We don't have any other high impact news, so we can expect a moderate volatility in gold on Monday. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in weekly time frame now, and when we look at the current trend of the price action in weekly time frame, I've drawn a support line and the resistance line. We can still notice that current price action is trading above this trend line or the support line, and overall trend of the price action is still in bullish trend in weekly time frame as long as it is trading above this support line. And when we look at the candlesticks it has formed at this support level, previously it has formed an doji candle or indecision candle, and the body is very small, which shows that current trend has become weak. And after this candle we have noticed a green color trend reversal candle, which gives a confirmation on the bullish side trend reversal. But in any case, if the bearish trend needs to continue, it has to form a very long bearish candle breaking this trend line or the support line, or if the bullish side bounce back need to happen, it has to make a very strong bullish candle in order to give the confirmation on the bullish side trend reversal. For now we have only received the sign that bullish side trend reversal is going to happen. Still the confirmation needs to come. Let us look at the price action in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame, and when we look at the price action in daily time frame, previously we have noticed a price action to take support on this trend line or the support line, where I have extended this support line, and for the current price action we can expect this support line to act as a resistance line. And currently when we look at the trend of the price action, I am drawing a resistance line connecting the highs of the past price action, and we can clearly notice that the price action is taking support on the weekly time frame trend line or the support line, and it is bouncing back on the bullish side. And based on this price action we can expect the price to retest on this trend line or the resistance line, and only when the price action breaks this resistance line we can expect the further continuation of the bullish side trend in daily time frame. So based on the past price action we can expect the price action to form a double bottom pattern, and if the price action breaks this resistance line we can expect it to retest on the price level from where it started its bearish side trend reversal, which is going to be around 1968 or 1970. And if the price action fails to break this resistance line or the trend line, we can expect the price action to again bounce back on the bearish side retracement and to continue its bearish trend in daily time frame. And the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is still in a bearish trend as long as it is trading below this trend line or the resistance line. And once the price action breaks this support level of 1905, we can expect the bearish side trend to continue, and next level of support is going to be around 1861, which is also going to be the 78% of the Fibonacci's retracement level. And if the price action breaches this support level also, next level of support is going to be around 1805 on the bearish side. And on the bullish side, once the price action breaks this next level of the double bottom pattern, which is going to be around 1935, next level of resistance is going to be the resistance line from the daily time frame. And once this resistance line is breached, we can expect it to retest on the resistance level of 1965. And if the price manages to break this resistance level of 1965, next level of resistance is going to be around 2004 and 2069. And for now the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is in a bearish trend. Let us look at the price action for hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame, and we know from the daily time frame that the price action is currently forming a double bottom pattern, and this level of 1936 is acting as a next level of the double bottom pattern, because we have noticed a price action to test this resistance level several times and to bounce back on the bearish side retracement every time it tested this resistance level. So for the hourly time frame, if you want to freshly enter on the bullish side trade, wait for the price action to break this resistance level of 1936, based on which you can enter on the fresh bullish side trade. And next level of resistance, it's going to be the daily time frame trend line or the resistance line. Once this resistance line is breached, we can expect the bullish side trend to continue, and next level of resistance it's going to be around 1967 from the daily time frame. And if you want to freshly enter on the bearish side trade, wait for the price action to break this previous low, which is going to be around 1905, based on which we can get the confirmation on the bearish trend continuation in hourly time frame also. And currently the price action in hourly time frame is on a sideways price action. There is a very strong battle going between the sellers and buyers. Based on the direction it gives a breakout from this consolidation, you can freshly enter on the direction trade in hourly time frame. Let us look at the support and resistance levels. So currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1929 and support level of 1920. If the price action continues its bearish side retracement, breaking the current support level of 1920, the next level of support is going to be around 1905 or the trend line or support line from the weekly time frame. Once the price action bridges this support level of 1905, next level of support is going to be around 1891, 1879 and 1864. And on the bullish side, if the price action bridges the current resistance level of 1929 and continues its bullish side retracement, the next level of resistance is going to be around 1936, 1944, 1954 and 1968. Previously also we have noticed a price action to consolidate, then to give a breakout on the bearish side, and currently we are noticing it to consolidate around the support zone of the weekly time frame. This level is very important to decide on the future trend of the price action for gold in higher time frames also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame, and in 30 minutes time frame we can notice that the price action has taken support on the weekly time frame trend line or the support line and went on a bullish side trend. After testing this resistance level of 1936, we have noticed a price action to again bounce back on the bearish side retracement and to take support on the weekly time frame trend line or the support line. So for now, the price action is trading between the higher time frame resistance level of 1936 and the trend line or support line from the weekly time frame. We are noticing the price action to be consolidating within this resistance level and the trend line in 30 minutes time frame. So the values in blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1925 and support level of 1919. And if the price action continues its bearish side retracement, breaking this current support level of 1919, next level of support is going to be around 1914, 1909, 1902 and 1892. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaches this current resistance level of 1925, next level of resistance it's going to be around 1936. Once the price action breaks this resistance level of 1936, we can expect the bullish side trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. Please refer the hourly time frame resistance levels for the bullish side targets. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and leave your comments.